Welcome to Advantage Property Market Update. Well, the Melbourne market continues to be as solid as a rock. Clearance rates have been averaging around 74% again. And again, we've seen some massive results. A house in Sunshine almost broke the $1 million barrier for the third time. Sold for $981,000 in Hertford Street. Just showing how much the zoning changes have meant, because this was changed to a high growth residential zone. Would have probably sold for $700,000, ended up selling for $981,000, too much for our client. 6 developers were all over it. We've also seen some other strong results. A house in Glen Iris we missed out on, sold for $2.3 million, showing how an unfashionable suburb, Glen Iris 15 years ago, owners bought for $270,000, now sold for $2.3 million. Brexit has happened, the election is now over. There was some uncertainty, but I think everyone's gone back now and got on with business. Investors are back in the marketplace. Good news for investors is there's been no change now with the negative gearing benefits and capital gains tax, and that'll entice investors back into the marketplace. How much difference can there be in a postcode? We saw on Commercial Road, South Yarra, when the block was selling, one side of the road was Commercial Road, South Yarra, and the other side was Prahran. There's a big difference in pricing. We also see that in Warrigal Road, where Mentone is pricier than Parkdale across the other side. So these postcodes can make a big difference. If you can buy in some of the adjoining postcodes, you can save hundreds of thousands of dollars, and buy in some of the middle suburbs now. And we're looking at some great growth in areas like Preston, Sunshine, Burwood and beyond, where there's more growth in these 10 to 20 kilometre from CBD suburbs. The foreign buyers keep buying up in Australia. $61 billion worth of transactions in the last year alone, 61,000 purchases at about $1 million each. So they are a big part, particularly commercial property, where they're buying 42% of all commercial property. The poor first home buyers, though, aren't really getting a look in at the moment. They're only 14% of the market, well down from the average of around 22% prior to the first homeowner grant being removed for established properties in July 2013. So they need a real hand at the moment. Investors are back up to 48%. Well, the block is back and the contestants have now been revealed, and the soap factory will be transformed into some beautiful heritage apartments soon. Beck and George's apartment finally sold for $1.7 million after it was passed in, and we missed out on it a couple of seasons ago for $1.5 million. Please don't forget to get on our website, enroll for our investor club on the 1st of September, and also look at our popular buyer's advocate, property management, seller's advocate and owners corporation services. We'll see you next time.